Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Ash, and today we're doing something a little different and I'm really happy about because I haven't had long hair in a minute. Okay, so I'm coming today with my hair up in a ponytail because you're gonna see, we're gonna finesse. Now, there's gonna be 3 parts of this video. So the first part, I'm just gonna do a hair review. The second part, you're just gonna see me washing and conditioning the hair. And then the third part, I'm gonna be styling it. So just a little backstory, I've never worn clip-ins before. Honestly, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna apply them right. We're gonna play around with it together, okay? So I bought the hair from Better Length Hair. It says Better Length Hair for Black Women. Comes in this cute little satin bag. I'm gonna assume to store the hair in it. It's nice and pink on the inside. Okay. So it also comes with a needle and thread and an extra little clip. One thing I do like about this vendor is that they already have the clip-ons on the website itself, so you really don't have to install anything. It comes with this little card. Share us on Instagram. Before and after photos for feedback. Alright, so this is Better Length 100% Remy Human hair in the color 1B off black, 14 inches. I really wanted to get 12 inches, but they didn't sell 12 inches on the website. So depending on how long it is, I might cut it just to blend more with my natural hair. On the website, it said that 1 pack would be enough. I honestly have a big head, so I'm hoping that it is, but the hair feels like a nice thick texture. I've never had yaki hair before, so honestly I'm not even sure what it's supposed to feel like. Like I always get like Brazilian or Indian or something. These ends look a little cray. They look a little cray, but I'm not gonna judge it. We're gonna moisturize it. We're gonna bring some life into it. It's real flowy. Let's open this. I probably should have brought scissors up here. Comes with 6 wefts. I'm not really sure if it's 6 or 8, but I will definitely link it down below. It did say it's 1B. This looks like it is my hair color. Let's see. I'd say it looked like it matched. I don't know, y'all. We're gonna see when we blend it out tomorrow, but this is a smaller weft. Comes with 2 clip-ons right there. And honestly guys, this was really affordable. And I wanted to try clip-ons for a while, but I was just like, it's not really a protective style, so I was kind of like skeptical of getting them. But at this point, I don't have a hairdresser to go to, can't do a sew-in, I don't know how to make a wig yet. So I was like, yeah, let's just get some clip-ins, just try it out, play around with some styles. So this is the second one. They're both like the same size. I'm trying to get a bigger. Okay, so here's the longer one. Comes with 3 clips. I'm not even gonna act like I know what to say about this because I don't. So we're gonna just literally play around with it. But I do want to see how many it comes with since I don't remember. I'm gonna assume 6. Okay, guys, so I took them apart. It comes with 7 wefts. This one being the longest, it has, I said wefts, 7 tracks. This one being the longest, it has 4 clips in it. It has like a little factory smell, but that ain't nothing new. I'm okay with that. All right, well, I can't really say much because I really don't know what to expect. Like I said, I've never really had yaki hair before. Oh wait, yes I have one. I've never had yaki straight texture though, so it feels soft. We're gonna just wash and condition these bad boys. We're gonna hang them to air dry overnight and then play with them tomorrow. Let's get into it. facing downwards just because I don't want there to be like some type of indentation when I'm trying to do my clip-ins, and then I just have a bump sticking up. So at least if I turn it this way, like it goes with the curvature of the actual clip-in. So that's something that I thought about. Not sure how true that is because like I said, I've never had clip-ins, so we're experimenting here. So I'm gonna just hang this up to air dry overnight, and then I'll be back tomorrow to install them. Okay, you guys, I'm back. It's the next day. I'm going to straighten my hair. I'm going to use the Chi 44 Iron Guard on my actual hair and then my bundles. All right, so I made the part a little bigger. Now, I saw somewhere that you're supposed to push them down and then check if there's any gaps before you actually clip them. So I have a little gap here, so I'm gonna pull it over more and then push down. I feel like as much tension as this is putting on my hair, it's probably not the best way for like a safety, what's gonna call it, a protective style, because this puts tension on your hair. So duly noted, I will not be wearing these a lot. Okay, you guys, so here is the finished look. I'm thinking it blends. I feel like I should run my straightener through it again, but I really don't want to put too much heat in my hair. But at first I thought I wanted to go for like 12 inches so it looks more natural, but this actually looks really natural. It blends really well. Okay, I'm gonna take pictures outside in the light so you guys can see. I did a middle part. There's 2 tracks here. I tried to record for you guys, like me putting them in, but y'all, I was on the struggle bus. Like, there was no way I was gonna try to show y'all and then be struggling at the same time. Like, I might add a clip or two. I might have added a clip or two, but yeah, so you can, you know, put it behind your hair, your ear and all. So far, I like it. I really like it. It matches the texture of my hair. Like, it's coarse like my hair. I probably won't put it behind my ear like that. Just going with some Evan. I'm gonna comb the front, but I'm gonna just have some edge control. Yeah, because who doesn't like edge control? Okay, you guys, here is the finished look. I did not mean to go this ham on my baby hairs, y'all. I just didn't have enough time and space. I'm rushing. For the most part, I think it matches my texture perfectly. It looks great. It literally feels like my real hair. I originally wanted to go with the 12, which would stop here because I thought it would look more natural, but this actually isn't bad. Like, if you just want a little length, you're going out something quick, you can still take care of your real hair underneath. I like it. I like it. So far, so good. But I gotta go, run on the road. If you aren't subscribed yet, subscribe now. Like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Be blessed, dolls. Bye.